Hi all, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. So as we say, time waits for no one, which is absolutely true. It feels as if I gave birth to this child just few days back and he's already 1 year old. He's been a blessing from above and he's been a ray of light who has sailed us through this pandemic. Hi all, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. So we're going for some shopping for Ivan. I'm gonna share the shopping with y'all in this video. This was shopping which I had done few days back, so I'm gonna include that as well, and I'll include some recipes. So hope you like it. Keep watching. Now, Ivan was born during a pandemic, so it was a little difficult for us to manage everything. We couldn't go to India, nor anyone could come, but it was a blessing as well because my husband was 24/7 home, and Ivan was lucky enough to have both his parents with him all the time. So, pandemic has given some positives and some negatives, a lot of negatives, but anyways, back to his birthday, he's still very small to really understand what's happening around. So I had always thought that I won't have a very grand birthday for him because kids get lost when there are a lot of people, especially at that age. Of course, when they start understanding, that's a different story, but now he's too young to have a big party, and of course there is pandemic too, so we are going to have a small party. Luckily my husband's brother, my brother-in-law, sister-in-law and family are around, so they will be coming, and they have 3 beautiful girls, so I think they are more than enough to start a party. So I made really simple few dishes which are already up on my channel. I have a separate video. So all my basic preparations have been done. Tomorrow I've not kept anything much for tomorrow because I had decided to finish the decorations as well, but today it wasn't possible. We are already tired, so decorations I will do it tomorrow. And the hot dog, the mixture I have made and kept, I will just make the buns tomorrow. I'll make the patties tomorrow. The beef mixture is ready. I just have to boil the pasta in it, and the hummus, the chickpeas I have boiled, so I just have to make the hummus. And yeah, so I'm almost done. Cake is ready. I'm going to assemble the cake tomorrow. So, and just the juice is very simple, the tamarind juice, so that I'll do it tomorrow. So my basic everything is done, so tomorrow I can concentrate more on Ivan. And yeah, so I'm going to shut the kitchen for tonight, and the remaining I will show you tomorrow. Hi, good morning. So it's next day. I woke up a little early before Ivan wakes up because I want to finish the cake off so it sets in the fridge, and I want to make the veg hot dog patties also and keep it in the freezer. If you keep it in the freezer, it's much easier to store it and also to fry it because it firms up a little and it's not delicate to fry because I'm going to put breadcrumbs on it. So yeah, that's the only thing I have to do. Everything else is ready. My beef gravy is ready, so I just have to put pasta in it. So that will be last moment. Because pasta, if you make and keep it, it doesn't taste good. So that I'm going to make last. And I'm going to decorate my cake recipe. I will separately put it on my channel, so you all can check that out. I think it'll go before this video. I'll put that up first, and yeah, that's it. So I will share with you all what all we do later. cake, I had kept it in the fridge in the night so it cools down completely. And my ganache, I had removed it and kept it so that it's not too thick. If you keep it overnight in the fridge, it'll become too firm and you won't be able to pipe it very easily. Then you have to whip it and keep it out for a long time. So I had removed it out from the fridge much earlier, so it is in room temperature. So as you can see, it is, spreadable consistency. So I'll pipe this out and I'll decorate my cake and then I'll make the hot dogs. So all of these recipes are separately on my channel. I didn't include this recipes in this video. They are on my channel separately, so if you all want to check it out, I will link it in the description box below. Do check them out. So simple decoration is almost done. The theme I had kept was animals and a little bit of yellow, and that is the chart which I had made. So of course we had kept it simple. That is his monthly milestones, his monthly birthday pictures, and I've just decorated the chart a little bit. And here the kids have come. They enjoyed it a lot, and I hope even you all enjoy the video seeing them. So the recipes I had kept were really simple and could be easily made way ahead in advance. You can also make these recipes for a larger gathering. They are really easy to make so that you don't have to waste a lot of time standing in the kitchen. And I had to just assemble everything because everything was already prepared and kept. Farmhouse. Fence. Fence. Star, moon. Earth, rotation, Earth, revolution, moon. The moon. Moon, sun, star. Meteorite. So we also played some games, and then the kids were enjoying in the backyard with the stones. So my husband goes for cricket on Sundays, so I thought I'll send some cupcakes for everyone there since we couldn't call everyone. So this recipe is already on my channel. So I didn't share any recipe. So I thought I had to make around 30 cupcakes, and the recipe is perfect for 30 cupcakes. So good morning everyone. तो ईगो का बर्थडे हो गया है कल, बट जैसे मैंने कहा था कल आई थिंक कि आज संडे हस्बैंड क्रिकेट के लिए जाते हैं, एंड देर आर फ्यू ऑफ हिज फ्रेंड्स हु हैव किड्स, and plus for his friends I will send some cupcakes, and for the kids I'll send I have some cake. I will cut it and fill it with some cream and custard, and for the kids I'll send them that, and for the guys there is cupcakes in it. I just have to frost it now quickly, so I'm going to make the frosting. Ganache is left, but I'm going to add in some warm cream to it, whipping cream, so it also, because it's become a little hard, it'll become a little loose, plus the quantity I want more. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. And for the kids I'm also going to pack some hot dogs. I've bought bags for them, so I'll pack the hot dogs also in that, so I'll show you. So this is what I have for the kids. It basically just becomes like a box like this, folded from down. So इसमें मैं सब चीज़ें ऐड करके ले लूँगी. So the birthday cake which I had made was left out, so I just use a cutter to cut them and cut them into half. And here I have some paper cups. I'll just layer a little bit of the cake. I'll pour in a little milk on it, then pipe in some ganache and the fruit custard which was left. Layer it with the cake again and a little bit more ganache, and our chocolate cake cups are ready. I thought it will be really nice to give kids these. And these are the cupcakes which I made. I am just frosting it. And almost everything was ready. I put the hot dog inside. I want chocolate and this cupcakes. And yeah, the bag for the kids is ready. So few of my friends who I did call, I will give them also some cake and custard. So the cake which I had left, I just sliced it and I added in the cups. Then I'll add in some cream. As I said, the cake needs a little moisture. After adding the cream, I'm just adding some chocolate syrup to it. You can also add ganache, layering it with the custard, the cake again, again a little bit of the cream, and chocolate sauce. And our cake cups are ready. So that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If so, do hit the like button, and if you have not subscribed yet, do consider subscribing. I will see you with another video. Till then, bye, take care, and thanks for watching.
So when you stop paying so much attention, and when you're moving in another direction,